Girl, you fuck it up, you do. You make me wanna run it up with you. Baby, you the blueprint. Without you, I'm losing. All your exes fools. It's your birthday. Put your hands in.
Hey YouTube, it's Monie Vuitton and I am back with another video. And also today is my birthday. I don't know why I didn't vlog today. I really don't vlog. I mean, I didn't really do too much. I just went to work, got gifts and stuff, but it was cute. I could have vlogged. I didn't vlog. Could have vlogged me getting my nails done, doing my hair, all that, but I didn't. Anyways, as you guys can tell by the title, today is a room tour video. And I've been procrastinating doing this video. I don't know why, but I'm doing it right now. So let's get into it. And because I should have been did this and had it uploaded for y'all today. Today is Tuesday. I usually upload on Tuesdays. So, yeah. Let's get into this video. There's some good light, too, so I'm going to take some pictures real quick. But, yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so you walk in the room. Over here is my TV. My Holy Bible that I just got for my birthday, which I love so much. So I put this right here. It's over here, it's just this with my boo's name on it. My fan, of course. Over here, this is my nightstand. It says "Life is Short" by the Shoes with a little keychain. That's a Bluetooth speaker with a Roku remote, and then that's my jewelry box. And then this is my rug that my sister got me for my birthday. There's nothing on this wall right here, but on this wall I have this picture. And then, wait, this is my door. If you turn this way, this is my bathroom. I'll just put my shoes right there. We ain't gonna spend too much time on the bathroom. So I have these two pictures up on the wall. Meanwhile, we had some cleaners come and they broke this and didn't even fix it, but whatever. So yeah, this is my bathroom and this is my shower curtain. And boom, that's it for the bathroom. Like I said, ain't gonna spend too much time on that. Yeah, and put this trash bag back on the bed. So, turn this way. This is my dresser over here. And these are my perfumes. This is not even all my perfumes. The rest of my perfumes are still in storage. And I need to go through those and pick some out, throw away what I don't want. And yeah, but for now, this is what I got. So, boom. Then I just slid this right here. I just got this today, so I slid that right there. This is my bed. So I have a Croc pillow, red Jordan pillow, Nike pillow, Adidas pillow, black Jordan pillow, and a Yeezy pillow. So these pillows were made by Metamorphosis Designs on Instagram. I'm gonna put the name below. Y'all go follow her. Y'all go support her. Get y'all some pillows done. And these are my curtains. And white comforter. Don't mind my phone and all that. Boom. Then you come over here. Croc collection. Don't mind these shoes. I had those on today. I need to put them where they go. Then over here, you have my two Croc bags. These are just like my random shoes. Yeah, got the bubble slides. Got some shark slides. I'm actually wear these tonight when I go out to eat because I don't want to wear no heels. Y'all know I'm a little, I don't even like to say I'm childish. Y'all know I'm silly, goofy, stylish. So I'm gonna wear that tonight. And excuse me. So yeah, this is my row for my little random looking, yeah, my foam runners. And then don't mind my busted up shoes, y'all. I'm gonna clean them. I know how I used to say. Anybody that's been knowing me that watched my sneaker video knows that every pair of shoe I pulled out, I was like, and I'm gonna clean them. I'm gonna clean them. And I'm gonna clean them. But yeah, these my busted up Vans, y'all. They cute busted. And then my Converse up there. So yeah, and these ain't even all my shoes, y'all. I have shoes in this freaking closet. That's what's crazy. Yeah. Then you come over here. You got my LED lights. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that. So you got my LED light remotes, this stuff, crown I'm gonna also wear tonight. Just my little bookshelf. And you got my J's. Half of these J's are busted up and just came back from storage from college, but yeah, the rest of my shoes are in the closet. Then you come over here. This is probably one of my favorite pictures in my room. So you have this picture over here. And yeah, these pictures up here. It says nothing is easy, but who wants nothing? Boom, 10.5, yeah. And then that just says air. Over here you have this picture that says sneakerhead. An avid admirer of shoes that collects them as a hobby. And yeah. So this is my cute little room. I love it so much. Now it's just gonna be a quick little run through of the room. Me not talking, just letting you guys see everything. Don't mind this purse right here. This is the purse that I had on today.
Yeah, I need my commas, look. I ain't playing, man, I put that on my mama. 24 on the visit just for mama. Vince Carter on the beat, I put my arm through the rim. It's your birthday. Put your hands in the air, it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You should be doing that back in the first place. It's breezy, know you heard of me. Ooh, yeah. Pinky ring, we're about to be deep. You told my Lambo that's trippy. I left the bottle, that she tipsy. Can't trust these cause they hippie. I know that your best friend gon' slide now. Party in my house, that's a vibe now. All in on these like LeBron now. Spinning off the top, that's a freestyle. I'm about to turn it up.
I also forgot to show y'all this. So they're LED lights. I love my room so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Monie Vuitton. Hi, my name is Armani, aka Monie Vuitton, aka Tuka the Blueprint. Again, thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching it. If you're feeling the vibe, subscribe. And since you're already here, you might as well go and get into it. Go and like, comment, subscribe, as I already said. Let me know some things you want to see next, and I'll see y'all in my next video. And we're going to get into it, how we get into it, as we get into it, where we get into it. And y'all going to see why we're going to be getting into it. Bye.
Without you, I'm losing. All your exes foolish. They were stupid.